Hi, welcome to FinOrder. Hmm. Most people start investing before they build protection, and that one mistake can break your growth. Today, we are talking about why your emergency fund matter more than your investment. Everywhere I scroll these days, people are talking about investing like it's the only way to build a wealth. They make it sound so easy, just invest and your money will grow automatically. And yes, investing is important, but it's not the first step. There is something even more important before investing, and most people ignore it. Let's say you start investing seriously and your money begins to grow. You feel confident watching that graph rise, and you think you are doing great. Then suddenly your phone rings and something unexpected happens. It's a medical bill, you never planned for it, and it need immediate payment. Or maybe your vehicle breakdown and repair cost hits you hard. You check your wallet for cash and realize there is almost nothing there. That's when stress starts building because you need money right now. So you are forced to sell your investment even if you don't want to. And unfortunately, the market is down exactly at that moment. You sell at loss and instantly regret that decision. All that growth you were proud of disappear in seconds. Now imagine a different version of you, one who prepared in advance. Before investing, you decide to save first and build an emergency fund. You saved enough to cover 6 months of expenses, including rent and food. When the emergency happens again, your reaction is completely different. You calmly open your emergency fund instead of touching your investments. You handle the bill without any panic and solve the problem peacefully. And your investments stay untouched, continuing to grow quietly. You feel relaxed instead of stressed because you were prepared this time. That is what a financial protection feels like. Real peace of mind. An emergency fund is your foundation, the base of your financial life. And investment should sit on top of that bed, not replace it. Protection always comes before growth, never the other way round. Your goal should be simple. Save 3 to 6 months of expenses. Start by calculating your monthly spending and be honest with yourself. Then multiply that number by 6 and that's become your target. If that number feels big, start small and build slowly. What matter most is consistency, not how much you save at once. And don't use this money for shopping, even if it feels tempting. It's definitely not for an vacation or lifestyle upgrade. The fund is only for real emergency, nothing else. When your emergency fund is ready, you feel financially strong. Now you can invest confidently without fear. Because prepared people don't panic when life surprises them. And people who don't panic grow their wealth peacefully. So always remember this rule: protect first, then grow. This is FinOrder. If you want to build wealth the right way, subscribe and grow with clarity.